everyone, welcome to another Maker Monday. My name's Susie and today we're going to be making some juggling balls. Are you ready to get started? Okay everyone, so the materials that we're going to need to make our juggling balls are some rice, balloons, a plastic bag, something like a freezer bag or sandwich bag, some scissors and a measuring cup. Now I've got a 1/3 cup measuring cup and that's roughly the amount that seems to work really well for juggling balls. Okay, so our first step is to fill up our bag using our 1/3 cup, so about that much. There's our rice. Now this makes the juggling ball activity really mess free, which all the adults at home are really going to love. Now I'm going to tie a knot in my bag and I've gotten most of the air out of it. That's going to help the juggling ball be really pliable like that. There we go. Tie a bit of a knot in there. Make sure you ask the adults at home if you do need help tying that knot. Okay, so our next step is to put that bag of rice in this balloon. And to do that, we need to chop off the top. There we go. Now I've got 3 coloured balloons here, and you can use 2 colours or you could even use 4 if you wanted, but that's just to make the juggling balls look really bright and really fun. Okay, now this bit can be a little tricky, so if you do need help, please ask. So we're just going to stretch the balloon over the bag of rice, just like that. All done. Okay, now our next balloon, we're going to cut the top off again. And this time, we're going to cut a couple more holes in it so that we can still see some of that yellow. There we go. And again, we're going to stretch this over this balloon here, and what we're going to do is try and make sure we get it over that opening. There we go. Okay, now for our next balloon, I'm using my colour green. Here we go. We're going to cut the top off again. Now as I said, you can use as many colours as you like. Cut a couple more holes in that one, and if you're really clever you can get those holes to line up so you can see all 3 colours. I'm not sure if I'm that talented, but we will have a try. Okay, and we're ready to stretch it again, and again we're just going over that opening. Can we get it? Oh, we sort of got it. There we go, all done, and that is our juggling ball made. Well, I hope you had fun making your juggling balls at home. Try and make as many as you can, and time how long it takes you to juggle all of them. How many can you juggle in the air at once? What other games can you play with your juggling balls? If you enjoyed that activity, make sure you come down to the Dubbo branch of Macquarie Regional Library for some other fun school holiday activities. Each weekday, 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Bye everyone.